Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to download Facebook videos. If you find a Facebook video that you want to save for later, Facebook provides options for saving videos within the app, while downloading the actual video file may depend on the video and the permissions available. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Find the video that you want to save. Once you find the video, tap the three-dot menu on the video. You may see an option called Save Video. Tap Save Video. The video will now be saved to your Facebook account so you can easily find it later. To find your saved videos, go back to the Facebook menu. Look for Saved and tap on it. You should see the videos and other posts that you have saved. Now, if you want to download a video directly to your phone, look for a download option in the videos menu. Keep in mind that Facebook does not provide a direct download option for every video. If the download option is not available, you should not use a third-party downloader to bypass the video's privacy or access restrictions. For videos that you own, you may be able to download or export your own content using Facebook's available account or content tools. If you are downloading a video that belongs to someone else, make sure you have permission to save or reuse it, especially if you plan to upload it somewhere else. Also, be careful when using websites or apps that claim to download Facebook videos. Some may contain unwanted advertisements, unsafe downloads, or requests for your Facebook login information. Never enter your Facebook password into an unfamiliar website or downloader. If your main goal is simply to watch the video again later, using Facebook's Save Video feature is usually the easiest and safest option. And that's it. You now know how to save Facebook videos and check whether a video can be downloaded to your phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.